Hi, I'm Mitsutoshi Taniguchi. Today, I'm sharing a video of a meeting with my student from Germany, Nora. Nora visited Japan last year for private training with me, and she's coming back this June. She's already achieving a wonderful result in Germany by using my techniques. Please take a look at our meeting. In this video, you can see how I lecture in English. My English may not be perfect, but I believe that the sense of placing the hands, TEATE, transcends language's barriers. If you feel a concessions to my techniques through this level of English, I would be very happy to share my knowledge with you. Also, Nora shares her daily practice on Instagram. I'll put the link in the description, so please go check it out. Please enjoy the video. Okay, well, so Nora, and then today I made a script for today's lesson. It's
Okay.
better. Thank
Okay.
you. Yeah. And have you looked at the JTMS Volume 1?
Yes,
It's
I have printed it and I have read it and I have also watched the videos.
oh good.
Mm.
So I want to ask you, how about my English?
Your English is very good. I can understand everything very easily, and there's like no mistakes or something. It's correct. Grammar is correct. Writing is correct. Talking is correct. So it's easy to follow.
Oh, thank you so much. That lecture is about sleep and diet.
Yes,
Mm.
very interesting
Oh,
topic.
really? Mm. Sleep is very, very important. And Eastern medicine is our main focus, but we must also learn from Western science too.
Hmm.
It's very important.
Hmm.
Mm. And when both you and your customers understand the theory, you can achieve a much higher result, I think.
Yes.
Mm. It's
I
very,
think it's important for the customer to also understand it, not just us as professional, but to also give the knowledge to the customer.
yes, it's very important. So, and there are a lot of massage therapists, but you are a special therapist. You can do
Mm.
very good technique and you can explain our knowledge. It's very, very important.
Hmm.
And then now almost customers too, and they want to know how to do this massage, that meaning. So we have to explain about our technique. It's
Hmm.
very nice. Yes. Mm.
So
And
just for my information, so I am allowed to give parts of the technique to my customers, right?
mm, of course, of course.
Yeah.
And then of course, I will take the treatment for customers every day. It's better,
Mm.
but it's not possible.
Yeah, sure.
Mm. So we have to tell them uh, how to care by themselves. Mm.
Yes.
It's very important. Okay.
Yes.
And then according to my program, I always use a TEATE and Meridian wellness. So today I want to explain about that our words.
Yeah.
Okay. First, let's talk about the teate. Can you hear that the teate in Japanese? You know, teate.
No, I don't. I didn't know before.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Teate in Japanese, and it means placing the hand like this.
Te is hand, right?
Yes, teate,
Te.
it's hand. Teate. It's we always use this words in Japan. For example, it is a culture of caring for others.
Yeah.
When the children is hurt, a mother naturally place her hands on them.
Yes.
So like this, are you okay like this? That. And then if uh, when meet the old man or old lady, if they feel bad feeling, you have to say, you will say that, are you okay? Like this?
Yeah.
It's like, so we call this action, we call it the teate. So our self-care technique, we call it the teate.
Okay. Yeah.
And then before the technique, we must prepare ourselves. That is Keilaku meditation.
Yes.
It's a breathing. It's before I told you this kind of exercise, but this time I want to tell you about uh, Meridian meditation, Keilaku meditation.
Yes.
And then please try to exercise for this Keilaku meditation. Keilaku, that means the meridian.
Yes, I know that.
Okay, good. Yeah. And then when our breathing is calm, our hands become warm hands. And then we will start the technique. Keilaku massage, Keilaku head care, Keilaku reflexology, everything also. Yes.
Yeah.
So I want to tell all of the world, and then teate, and then meridian medicine. Yeah, of course, I don't need to famous people. I don't need to that, but I want to tell them, and then this Japanese very good technique. Now you are studying my method, so I'm very, very happy.
Me too. Thank you.
Thank you. And so today, I will teach you how to use, this here is a 100
Yeah.
It's a,
Hyakue, Danshu, and Jusen, right?
yes, good. So this is all Japanese. You studied acupressure point. Maybe you already studied it. And that time you always use Chinese character or number?
Yes, the Chinese characters. Like I don't know, in the face I learned a few Erman and
Oh,
Jintang
oh, good.
and stuff. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I know the Chinese characters for it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's very good. But please try to study Japanese.
Yes, I would love to do that.
Good. Anyway, this is called it 100 and in Chinese 派会. Okay. 100円、団中、円、優先. Okay. So today, we will try to use 100 円, right? Okay, I
Yes.
will tell you. First of all, please place your hand on 100 円. Okay, this is TEATE too.